Hi guys, welcome back to a new recipe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious banana nut bread. Let's jump straight into the video. You want to start by taking 2 ripe bananas. The more ripe your bananas are, the sweeter your cake will be. I'm taking a fork here and mashing up the bananas until they are fully mashed and look like a puree. You can mash the bananas and match the consistency to what you prefer. You can have larger pieces of banana so you have more of a bite. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to take half a cup of softened room temperature butter. Using an electric whisk, I'm going to beat the butter until it is fluffy and is pale in colour. As you can see now, the butter has gone lighter in colour and is pale. Now you want to cream together your butter and sugar. I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar into the butter and I'm going to cream this together until it's well combined. When you cream together the sugar with the butter, you'll have a crumbly mix and you'll see the butter does go lighter in colour again. I'm then going to add 2 eggs, crack them one at a time into the mix. And again, using my electric whisk, I'm going to beat the eggs into the sugar and butter mixture. You want to make sure that you don't overmix your batter, as this could change and alter the consistency and texture of the cake once it's baked. Take your time mixing, but make sure that you mix well so that you don't have to mix more frequently. Into the batter now, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla essence. This just provides a base flavouring to the cake so that the cake isn't plain and the taste of the banana and nuts stand out. You want to then beat this again with an electric whisk until all of your ingredients are combined well. To the mix now, you're going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and whisk this well into the mixture, and then use a wooden spoon to scrape down the edges or a spatula and make sure that the ingredients and everything is combined well. Then take the plate with your mashed bananas and pour them into the bowl. I'm also going to add in 1 cup of chopped crushed peanuts. You can use a mixture of any nuts that you want, it doesn't really matter. Change this to your desired taste. I'm using peanuts. And then with your wooden spoon again, mix it all well until everything is well mixed. You want to then prepare and line a loaf tin. I'm using greaseproof paper with butter at the bottom so that the cake, once it's baked, it comes out easily, and then pour your mix in and fill it till the edges with the wooden spoon so you have a nice shape once it's baked. I'm going to tap this on the work surface a few times to get rid of any air bubbles. You want to then get a large pan and preheat this for 10 minutes with a base like that, and then pop your tin into there and let this bake on a medium to low flame for half an hour. To check if your cake has baked, you want to get a knife and pop it in the middle. When you get crumbs on either side, you know that the cake has baked properly. Flip your tin over into a plate and then peel off the greaseproof paper. It should come off easily as we put butter on the bottom so it doesn't stick. Flip another plate on top of this and then flip the cake over so it's on the right side. I'm now going to cut into this cake and show you guys what it looks like from the inside. As you can see, the outside is nice and crispy and the inside is soft, it's fluffy, you have crumbs falling everywhere, and you can see the balance between the cake and the nuts. This is the perfect recipe for the most softest, the most delicious, flavorful banana nut bread that you can have. I really hope you guys like this recipe. Please be sure to try it out. Let me know how it went for you. Stay posted to this channel so you can have access to more wonderful recipes. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.